So can you day trade as a full-time job? Can you day trade as a full-time job? Leave your thoughts and comments in the comment section below. I want to hear what you guys think. So the short answer is yes, you can day trade as a full-time job, but it's very hard and very risky. Trust me. Day trading can be a full-time job for people who choose to do it and to pursue it. You must watch markets all day because now it's your full-time job and it takes a lot of practice, and you're going to need a lot of money to avoid restrictions. So what you can also do is explore your options. Remember, many people lose money at first when they start trading. So what you probably also want to do is have a backup plan, backup finances for your bills, because it can be stressful at times, and you can encounter massive losses if you're going to do day trading full time. You also need a strong discipline to do this full time. Some people succeed, but many people have failed to do day trading full time. It's not easy like most normal jobs.